Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer, tutorial 12, using the blending options via outer glow on text. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and the project that we have been working on. As you can see on screen, we have photo.psd. Let's now click on this. Wait for that to open. And now in the previous tutorial, you did see myself using the blending option to add the outer glow on the image. And so in this tutorial, let's focus on the text that we have on screen, which is computer science videos. Navigate within layers, right click, blending options, go to outer glow, and there we have the outer glow added to the text on screen. Computer science videos, like I said, we can change the color if we wish to, or we can have it reverted back to normal. We can change the size. Let's just keep it to about number 10, which is OK. Click on OK, and that's how you use the blending options to add an outer glow to your text within Adobe Photoshop in your project. So we can now Command S to save, quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.